What's going on, guys? Code Talks here. Today I'm back with another brand new video. So today we're going to be talking about functions. So functions in Python help create modularity and help you track bugs in the sense that whenever you're working on your code and you, for example, have a section of your code that's essentially a block, you can turn that into a function and just make your code a bit cleaner. So let's first focus on creating functions. So the basic syntax is you write def, which is a Python keyword, the name of your function, and then just these parentheses, and then write your code here. So this lesson will be right here, Python, go to course, at the bottom, functions, which are coming soon. So let's continue. So I've pre-written some functions here. So when this function is called, so I wrote def, say underscore hello is the name of the function, and then what this function will do is print hello. And then this function, instead of printing, it returns 3, and I'll show you what return exactly means. So it's the same thing, it's called 3 and it returns 3. And let's make another function here. Add two numbers. So, okay, just ignore that. So now when we run it should return really nothing. So what have I done here? I've basically created a function with parameters. So I can pass in numbers as these parameters. When I pass them in, those are called arguments. When I pass them in, it will just add them and return them. So let's start using these. So make sure if you're using Jupyter or Google Colab, you run this code block. So then you can use it in the next code block. So to run the function, let's say run say underscore hello. And then all I have to do is write the function name and the parentheses. I run it, and you'll notice it prints hello. Now, if I run 3 here, so 3, you'll notice it just says, okay, this is a Jupyter notebook, so it will actually print out 3 as well. But I think a better example is this. So I should still get the same output. But you'll notice now the 3 doesn't show up. Why is that? So I've stored basically say hello as the variable a. So let's print out a and see what happens. So let's explain. Sorry, that's my dog in the background. But let's explain what's happening here. So I ran say hello, and I said a is equal to say hello. One second, let me get my dog to be quiet. Sorry about that, we're back. So now, basically, what have we done? We said a is equal to say hello. So say hello has no return. So when we print out a, it says none because it doesn't return anything. But if we were to print out b, you'll notice it says hello because that's the function say hello. It prints out hello. And then the function 3 just returns 3 and puts it in this variable b. So now b is equal to 3. And now let's use the add function. So if we have result, so it's a return, so I'll have result equals to add, and then I pass in 2 numbers, 2 and 3, and I can print the result. I don't think I ran it again. So look, so the result is equal to add 2 and 3. So a is basically 2, b is 3, and I return 2 plus 3, which is 5. I store that in result, and then I print out result. So that's pretty much a basic breakdown on functions in Python. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe. Put your questions down below, and please share the video. Thank you very much for watching.